Hello friends and family. Here is a video on starting an Ariens snowblower. Step 1, let's check the oil. This is the dipstick. This is my hand. I just ran it today, so I'm not really going to look at it, but it should be between those two holes. Ta-da! Here's where you'd put the gas if you needed to. Remember, the gas is in the shed. I imagine the snowblower will not need gas. Let's familiarize you with the controls. Here is the chute thingy. It turns the chute thingy. Here is what controls the deflection, how far the snow goes. If it's really windy, it's helpful to have it lower. If it's less windy, it throws it farther if you have it that way. Here's basically the transmission. You've got, I think, 5 or 6 forward speeds and then 2 reverse speeds. So if you want to go faster, all the way over there, slow forward is here, slow reverse, fast reverse. Anyway, this is how you start the auger, so how you make the snow get thrown, and then this is how you make the snow machine go forward. If you hold this one down and then that one, you can actually release this one as long as you're holding that one down and it keeps going. Okay, so now starting. So we starting, haha, I'm funny, over here. Turn this knob, which is the choke, all the way to the start position, all the way clockwise, like this. There's about 5 clicks or so. So that's start, and then turn the throttle all the way clockwise to the rabbit, so all the way up. Then turn the ignition on, turn the gas on, pump the primer 3 times, then come over here, pull until you feel it have resistance, and then pull hard. Okay, then to run it, you leave the throttle, which is the lower gray part, all the way at the rabbit. But after you start it, you do have to change the choke from the start position, which is where we were, and then you have to click it over as the engine warms up to run. So you kind of heard as you first started the engine, it sounded rough running. And when it sounds rough running, then just click it 1 notch over and keep doing that until eventually you're in the run position, and that's how you run it. And then to shut down, what I like to do, and you don't really have to do it, but I do like to run the throttle, which is the gray part, back to the turtle and let it cool down for a little bit. And then you just kill the engine by turning the ignition off, which is vertical. And then I also turn the fuel off, which is vertical. But I mean, that's not the end of the world if you forget some of that stuff. So there you go. Good luck. Blow some snow.